Citizens of Play City, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're going to make some Jamaican stewed chicken. And when I tell you this is something that you can feed your entire family and that they'll love, trust me, it's real. Just put it over some rice. This is that Jamaican flavor that you like. And I know my beard looking a little crazy because I'm growing my quarantine beard back in, but guess what? That has nothing to do with the food. So let's go. First, so let's go ahead and get the marinade for our stewed chicken ready. Stewed brown chicken, a staple dish in Jamaican culture. The marinade is going to be a mixture of vegetables and also spices and seasonings. All right, so we're going to start off with some all-purpose seasoning. I have some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning here. Go with that. And some chicken seasoning. Now these all have salt components, so you don't actually have to add salt. I have some allspice. I'm gonna hit it with some allspice. You can use a pimento. If you have pimento, you can put that in there. Paprika. Some garlic powder. Some pepper. This is optional, but if you have jerk seasoning, go ahead and use that. A little bit of jerk seasoning, because it's not jerk chicken, it's stewed chicken. So you want to add that, but it does have that cinnamon flavor in there to go along with the pimento. Put some thyme in there. Right now, browning gives it that color, also gives a little bit of flavor. The stewed chicken is dark, so you want to add like a nice amount of browning and some soy sauce. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. Now, what do we have over here for our veggies? Well, we're going to put in ginger, add some roughly chopped peppers. Good. I have a medium chopped onion here. If you have spring onions, add those in. Those would be good to add in at the end. And I also have some crushed garlic. I'll go about a half a tablespoon crushed garlic. All right. And the last thing I want to add in is this tomato. I haven't cut it yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that tomato up, add that in. Okay. That's our total marinade right there. Mix that up, get everything in. It's colorful, it looks beautiful. Oh my God, the smell, it's great. All right, let that marinate for at least an hour. You can go 8 hours if you want to go overnight. I'm going to do at least an hour. All right, cover it up, put it in the fridge, and we'll get back. After you sear everything, because you want to get a little bit of crisp on the chicken, what you're going to do is you're going to cover it up and you're going to just put it on a medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. And that's going to make the water come out of the chicken. It's going to make its own gravy. But then I just added a cup of chicken stock just to enhance that. And then I added a little bit more browning on top because I wanted a little bit of a better color and a more potent flavor. And then at that point, once you add that in, you can add in all your vegetables. You're going to put that back down. You're going to go for about 40 minutes on a low heat. Once you get to the end, you want to add in your slurry. That's just going to be flour and water, and it's going to make it a little bit more thick. And as you can see, it comes out like a gravy, and you're going to just want to put that right over the chicken pretty much. And that's it. Brown stew chicken. Flavorful, beautiful. Put it over some white rice, brown rice, whatever one that you choose, you do you. And we'll see you next time on Plate City.